Morning students. Good morning students. Myself Sumit Mehta welcomes you to another video of the topic polynomials. Today we will solve question number first part and second part of question number fourth exercise 2.5. Last time I explain you the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. It is like that: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus 2 times bc plus 2 times ca. When we solve these types of questions, we must be familiar with some fundamental algebraic expressions or rules, like when we multiply negative with positive, we always get our answer in negative form. When negative multiply by negative, our answer comes out to be positive. And when positive multiply, the resultant is positive. Similarly, when positive negative multiply, the answer is negative. So it is very much clear like that with an example. When you multiply minus 1 with positive 2, your answer is minus 2. When you multiply minus 1 and minus 2, your answer is plus 2. When you multiply 2 with 1, both the positive quantities, so answer is plus 2. And when you multiply positive with negative, your answer is negative. And very one important result is that of whole square, means to say that 2 whole square or minus 2 whole square, both the answer is same, the answer is 4. So you must understand that positive square is also positive and negative square is also positive. In both the circumstances, your answer is positive 4. Again, I can explain you. For the application of this formula, you must be familiar with these concepts. When negative and positive multiply, the answer is negative. When two negative quantities multiply, the answer is positive. When two positive quantities is multiplied, the answer is positive. When positive and negative is multiplied, the answer is negative. So let us start to solve the fourth question first part by using this formula a plus b plus c whole square. Let us start with the first part. Question number 4, part first. The part is like that: x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Let us apply the formula. The formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus 2 times bc plus 2 times ca. Here our a is positive x. I put this in the form of x whole square. And b is 2y whole square. Our c is 4z whole square. Now 2ab, 2a means x, b means 2y. 2bc, 2b is 2y, c is 4z. Plus 2ca, c is 4z and a is x. I can explain again: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Our a is x, b is 2y, c is 4z. I can write it there: a is x, b is 2y and our c is 4z. Now after writing all these expressions, now I am going to solve it. X whole square is written as x square. 2y square means you put the square of 2 and y also. 2 square is 4 and y square is y square. Again 4z square means 4 square multiplies z square. It comes to be 16z square. And then 2 into x into 2y becomes 4xy. 2 into 2y into 4z, it becomes 2 to the 4 into 4, 16yz. And then the last one, 2 into 4, 8, and zx is your answer. I can explain it again. Let us see x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. By applying the formula a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then you have to put the values. You have to put x as a, 2y as b, and 4z as c. And then you simplify it. X square, 4y square, 16z square, 4xy, and when you multiply 2 into 2 and then multiply by 4, you will definitely get 16yz. And then the last one, 2, 4, 8y, x or z. This is the answer of this question. Now, I can explain you one another part, then you are able to solve all these 3 or 4 parts of question number 4 of exercise 2.5. Let us start with the second part of fourth question. Here we have to evaluate 2x minus y plus z whole square. चलिए सबसे पहले हम इसमें लिखते हैं a, b और c. Our a is 2x, b is minus y, and c is z. Now the formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now write the value of ABC in this formula. We have to put a as 2x whole square as it is, b minus y whole square as it is, c z whole square as it is. Now 2ab means 2 multiply a multiply b. 2bc means 2 multiply b multiply c, and 2ca means 2 multiply c multiply a. Now you can easily evaluate this. 2x square, I already explained you, 2x square becomes 4x square. Minus y square or y square, it always comes as positive y square, and z square is z square. Now you have to check, this is positive, this is negative, and I already told you प्लस माइनस जब आप इनको प्रोडक्ट करते हो तो जो आपका रिजल्टेंट आंसर आता है वो आता है आपका नेगेटिव. सो इट बिकम्स 2 2 ज़ा 4 minus 4xy, and again negative positive is negative. The answer is minus 2yz, and again 2 2 ज़ा 4 positive is positive 4zx. Now once again I can explain you this question. We have to evaluate 2x minus y plus z whole square. I put a as 2x, b as minus y, c as z. Now applying the formula a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. We can write 2x as a, minus y as b, c as z, 2ab, 2 into a, into b, 2bc, 2 into b, into c, 2ca, 2 into c, into a. Then we have to evaluate this. 2x square means 4x square, minus y square means positive y square, z square means positive z square. 2 2s are 4 and negative positive is negative, so it comes to be minus 4xy. 2 multiply minus y multiply z, it becomes minus 2yz. 2 multiply 2, 4 zx, 4zx. This is our answer. Thank you.